Okay, so the first step is to create an hierarchy, and we'll go to Tomcat home. Okay, so Apache software, Tomcat 9 is the Tomcat home, and just go to web apps and then create the first app folder and follow the hierarchy. Within that we have web-inf folder, and we create a classes folder, web XML, and then date servlet. This is the Java file. So code, oh, this is the class file, right? Okay, so notepad, and this is the code which we have written. This is Java. Okay. And then there will definitely be an error because we have to set the class path. So to set the class path, what we have to do is go back to Tomcat home, which is just Tomcat 9.0, go to the lib, and then in the address bar after lib just put a backward slash. Okay, and then you get servlet-api.jar. You just have to select this and copy the path, copy this from the address bar. Okay, now we have to set the class path. For this you have to go to this PC. Okay, we are at this PC, right click, properties, and then you get this particular window. This is Windows 10. So click on the advanced system settings, click on that. You will get further into the advanced part where you find the environment variables. Click on that, and you should find class path. If you don't have class path, so click on new and then type uppercase class path and paste whatever you have copied. Okay, so C programs, Apache software foundation, Tomcat 9 lib, servlet-api.jar. Okay, so click on OK. I have already done it, so you just click on OK. I'm cancelling, click OK again, OK again, 3 times. So the path is set. Now what you have to do is open and close your command prompt and then navigate to the path where your date servlet is there. You have to navigate. So how do you do it? Just go back to your web apps, C program files, software foundation, Tomcat 9, web apps, and then go to first app, web-inf, classes. This is where your date servlet is. So copy this path, Control C, and just close this, and then open the command prompt and type cd and paste the path. Okay, enter. So we are in this path. Now you can simply do a Java C, and then this is date, right? Date servlet.java, and then once you do this, you don't find any errors, and your date servlet is actually generated. And the next step for this is you just have to do the web XML part. So this is web XML. Okay, so you write the code, and this is saved already. We have set the path, right? So it is actually stored parallel to your classes folder. Okay, so once this is done, So we are ready to actually execute your servlet application. So for that, first thing first, you have to go to your Tomcat home, go to bin, double click on Tomcat 9. So this starts your Tomcat 9 server, and then you should find a window something like this. Okay, and also it will say, if I expand this, if you look at this first app, this is being deployed. Okay, so it says reloading complete, reload and all that. So previously there were errors because the path was not set, and after that it reloaded automatically and is complete, and first app is on. Okay, so to check, what we have to do is we simply, I'll open a new tab. Okay, so here in the browser type localhost colon 8080. Okay, localhost 8080. So here you see Tomcat 9 homepage. Okay, and then this is what you get out of it. So if you get this, then your server, Tomcat server is, web server is successfully running. And you have to click on manager app. So click on the manager app and it will ask for username and password. So just enter the username and password, and then you'll come to this particular page, Tomcat web application manager. Okay, so if you see this, your first app is already deployed, and there is a status running is true. Okay, we don't have any sessions and all, we'll come to that anyway. So if you have to reload or do something, you just have to reload, undeploy or remove it from here, or start by default it is already there. Start is disabled because it is already running. Stop is there, reload is there. Okay, now we have to run this particular first app. So all you have to do is click on this first app. Okay, and you land up on this page. It says 404 not found. Okay, now what you have to do is, we have specified something in the URL pattern. URL pattern is date, correct? So you just have to, whatever you have it here, you just type it in the web browser. So I'll come back here, after slash type date and enter, and there you go, and it gives you the output which is desired output, current date and time, and then Monday Feb 27th 11:45:46 IST 2023. So these are the steps to run your FirstServlet.